To log in to Trust Wallet on another device, you will need to follow a series of steps that ensure the security and safety of your wallet. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Trust Wallet app installed on the new device. If you do not have it, you can download it from the App Store. Next, open the app and click on the option that says I already have a wallet. This will prompt you to choose a method to restore your wallet. Since you want to access your existing wallet on a new device, you will need to use the recovery phrase. The recovery phrase is a list of words that were given to you when you first created your wallet. It is used to restore your wallet on a new device, so make sure you have it readily available. Enter the words of your recovery phrase in the correct order, and then create a new password for your wallet. After entering the recovery phrase and creating a new password, you will be logged in to your Trust Wallet account on the new device. Make sure to keep your recovery phrase safe and secure, as it can be used to access your wallet from any device. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. It is also important to note that you should never share your recovery phrase with anyone, as it can be used to steal your funds. Always keep it safe and secure, and never enter it on a device that you do not trust by following these steps and taking the necessary precautions. You can safely log in to your Trust Wallet account on a new device.